For this project I used double knit weight yarn in orange and green, 3mm crochet hook, fibre fill tie stuffing, yarn needle and scissors. The approximate pumpkin size is 1 by 1.5 inches, the garland length 37 inches. List of the abbreviations I used is in the description. Using orange yarn, chain 10. Row 1. From the back loop of the second chain, single crochet 2, half double crochet 5, single crochet 2 for a row total of 9 stitches. Row 2, chain 1 and turn, in the back loop only, single crochet 3, half double crochet 3, and single crochet 3 for a row total of 9 stitches. Row 3, chain 1 and turn, in the back loop only, single crochet 2, half double crochet 5, single crochet 2 for a row total of 9 stitches. For rows 4 to 17, repeat rows 2 and 3 7 times for a total of 14 rows. So single crochet 3, half double crochet 3 and single crochet 3 into the back loops, chain 1, turn, single crochet 2, half double crochet 5, and single crochet 2 for a row total of 9 stitches. Row 18, repeat row 2, so chain 1 and turn, single crochet 3, half double crochet 3, and single crochet 3 for a row total of 9 stitches. Fold your work in half, chain 1 and turn and slip stitch 9 to join the seam. Cut yarn fast enough, leaving a long tail for sewing, and sew one end closed. Turn the right way round, and fill with tie stuffing. Put to one side for a moment. For the stalk, use green yarn and chain 6. From the back loop of the second chain, slip stitch 5 for a row total of 5 stitches. Cut your yarn and fasten off. Sew the other side of the pumpkin closed. But before you pull it all the way closed, add the stalk. Pull it tight and sew it to secure. For the garland, make 5 pumpkins. For the cord, using green yarn, chain 30. Slip stitch 1 into the tip of the stalk and chain 30 5 times. Chain 1 more, and from the back loop of the second chain, single crochet 30. Single crochet 1 into the tip of the stalk and single crochet 30 5 times. Cut your yarn, fasten off and sew all your loose ends. Your pumpkin garland is complete. Okay, love you, bye.